ASUS ROG Phone 5 appears on Geekbench with 16 gigs of RAM with Snapdragon 888. ASUS is already working on its next ROG phone and it appears it may be announced a lot earlier than the usual June-July period. A phone with the model number ASUS i005DA and ASUS i005DB has popped up on Geekbench and HTML5 benchmarking platforms, revealing a Snapdragon 888 chipset. Hey, what's up everyone, Anwar here and this is TechNewLeaks. So let's get started. The upcoming ASUS gaming device could be called ASUS ROG 4 but is more likely to skip the number and go straight to ASUS ROG 5 for two reasons. One, the number 4 sounds a lot like death in Chinese, so smartphone companies tend to skip it, and two, the ROG 3 had model number ASUS i003DA. This device was spotted on Geekbench last December with 8 gigs of RAM. Now its 16 gigs of RAM variant popped up on the benchmark database, achieving 1131 and 3729 points in the single and multi-core test respectively, which is higher than what the 8 gigs of RAM model scored. Like the 8 gigs of RAM variant, the 16 gigs version also runs Android 11 and has a Snapdragon 888 SoC at the helm. Geekbench does not divulge any other specs of the ROG Phone 5, but Tina revealed the smartphone will pack a dual-cell 6000 mAh battery, a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen and support for 5G networks. China's 3C confirmed the ROG Phone 5 will support 65-watt charging, and leaked images and videos revealed the rear panel of the smartphone will house a triple camera. The hype surrounding ASUS' next ROG phone is growing by the day, and the latest leak shows us the phone from back to front alongside its new secondary screen. Yes, this year's ROG Phone 5 will have a tiny secondary display on its back which can show different types of patterns and notifications. The two demo uses show alerts for games and incoming calls. We also get to see the main screen for a brief second, which confirms the new ROG phone comes with symmetrical top and bottom bezels like on the ROG Phone 3, though they appear to be a tad similar this time around. What will be astonishing is if ASUS managed to pull out a new design for the phone in such a short period of time. Then again, all three ROG phones so far are pretty similar in looks. All the Taiwanese company has to do is slap a new chipset and call the upcoming ROG brand new. We still don't have the official launch date of the ROG Phone 5, but a teaser poster last month suggested the unveiling will take place between end of March and mid-April this year. So what do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying ASUS ROG Phone 5 next month? Leave a comment down. If you have enjoyed the video, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.